This is what I call pure genius. What's up people of the internet, hope you guys are well, and I'm back again with another DIY video. But this time I'll be teaching you how to make your own Nintendo Switch stand. Now I've had my Nintendo Switch for about 4 months, and must I say the best thing about it is it being portable. I can take it everywhere with me, play at home, play on the train, play at the airport, play even on the plane. But one problem I have found when playing the Nintendo Switch in portable mode is that when you're running out of battery and you need a charger, it's pretty hard to charge it when it's standing up. Instead, you usually have to put it flat and charge it that way. And that's where I come in, because I wanted to design a DIY stand which is easy and you can just use out of whatever products you have around the house. So let's get into it. Today I'll be showing you 5 ways you can create your own Nintendo Switch stand whilst it's charging. So starting off, I used a Pringles tube and I basically cut 2 lines about 1/4 through the tube. And then I just cut 2 slits which the Nintendo Switch can rest on. Next up, all you need is a toilet paper roll, and all I did was cut a strip of cardboard which can slide into the Nintendo Switch controller part. And from there, you can just bend it around and it can be used as a stand. And for number 3, I used 2 toilet paper rolls and cut slits in the center of them, so hopefully they stand when balanced with the Nintendo Switch. And for number 4, I got this idea from using a clothes hanger to hold up books. But instead, this time we're gonna be holding up the Nintendo Switch. So yeah, if you follow what I did, it should be straightforward to do. And for number 5, this one may take a bit more time, but I think it's the best solution for using it as your Nintendo Switch stand. And for this DIY stand, what I used was cardboard and rubber bands. And basically, as you can see, I measured it out so the cardboard would fit perfectly with the Switch. I made 4 holes on the cardboard, as you can see, and this is basically where I tied multiple rubber bands together through the holes and around. And yeah, that's the finished product. It's pretty durable. You can bend it and you can fold the cardboard to whatever way you want it to do. And yeah, that's it. So here's just a clip of all the stands that I made in this video. Roll the clip. So yeah, that's the end of another video. I hope you guys enjoyed this DIY video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed already, please do. And I'll be coming out with more content soon, so catch you later.